guys, back to work na naman tayo. Tara, samahan nyo ko. So guys, thank you for watching, at kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan follow at like and share na rin mga guys. Ayan. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.